Okay, hello guys. This is the Tech Show 101 coming at you with, I'm pretty sure what I said in the iPhone 5 unboxing, that I will be creating a 3-monitor computer, and I just wanted to show you all the parts for it. Before I show you, I just wanted to show you that I am getting a tripod, so we will have more of a good base for the steady hands. Anyways, so I am getting a NZXT Guardian 921 RB ATX mid-tower case, black 921 RB-001-BL. It's a very nice case. It is a bit pricey. I'm pretty sure it just gained $1 in the last second. I'm not sure. But as you can see, it holds everything you would need. Okay, so then we will now look at what is, oh my god, sorry, my bad. The SSD, I am not getting this before I make the build. I will get it possibly after, but I do not need it right away. This is a 2 terabyte desktop hard drive, 3.5 inches, like most hard drives. So yeah, that gives a lot of space for the computer to download stuff. I'm getting a Cooler Master Hyper 101i CPU cooler to cool the CPU. These are the monitors, I'm pretty sure. Yep. I'm getting 3 20-inch LED LIT Asus monitors. So it'll be like a 60-inch TV almost. Yes, this graphic card is not amazing, but I may upgrade after I make the build, because as you can see, it's only $32 for this graphics card, and I will be upgrading soon. But just for the build, I'm getting that. This is the power supply, the Corsair Builder Series CX 600 watt ATX EPS 80 plus. That's what I'm using as a power supply. Did I? No, I didn't. Okay. This, I'm getting 8 gigs of RAM to start off with. I may buy another 8 gig of RAM stick, but not just yet. Okay, here. This is the disk drive. Yours, I didn't want to pay too much for it. I didn't need the Blu-ray, so I just got this one. Nothing too fancy. Oh my god, sorry, my bad. I am getting a Intel Core i5 processor, which is the CPU. They do get pricey, the CPUs, but I do not want to stick with an i3 because I think an i5 is good, and an i7 is just a bit better than the i5, so there's no point of paying an extra $100 for that. The motherboard I am getting is a Gigabyte LGA 1155 Intel B75 SATA 6 GB USB 3.0 micro ATX DDR3 1600 motherboards GA-B75M-D3H, and yeah, so the RAM goes right here, CPU goes right there, and yeah, that's just a bit of it. I guess I could show you a different view from that view, and then from all the ports. I guess I could tell you what on the screens, what I will be doing with them. On the middle screen, if you have not known, you probably guys don't know that I am a coder. So on the middle screen, I will have some code. On the left screen, I will have what the code actually looks like on the browser. And then on the right screen, I'll have all my video editing and stuff. And on this laptop, I will be doing a lot of video editing. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Yeah.